Haji. I got a lot of things on my mind, Haji. You are the suckers playing games, I've been through it all. Geo got the and put into a song, stupid long. Get in the car, jiggle, they yo driving, Sonny, we be riding. Top down, cruising down, freeway vibing. California calling, LA got the party. Chillin' out in Cape Town, terracotta, get down. Hold on, yeah, hold on, yeah. Venice Beach, Malibu, that's the truth, hold my soul. Hold on, yeah, hold on, yeah. I talk it Beverly, off the Century, know what I mean? Know what I mean? The chicken watch it, you know,
Welcome to another McLogo video, and we've been out flying again. We were at the same space, the parking space that we were out with my friends, and I was actually lucky to be flying basically these two 3.5 inch, the same build, Lil Matey 2s. I've been now actually really building them the same short video antenna mounts and stuff, and the same parts. Basically the only difference are the motors. On this one, these are the LetsflyRC 4000 kV motors, and these are the T-Motor Pacer for also 1604 both. But these have got 3800 kV, so a little bit less kV. You can actually feel that flying. I kind of prefer the 4000 kV a little bit because it's the hover point is a little bit lower, but basically it works both. I've also been switching my props, not actually on purpose, but I broke a lot of props and didn't take enough props to the spot, but luckily Average FPV had these Gemfan 3520 props, and they actually fit these motors really well. And I was kind of surprised because I flew these before some long time ago on my first 3.5 inch that were maybe 220 grams or less, and basically, I did not like them that much. I felt the HQ were slightly better. I felt slightly better for me. I could catch dives better with these, but now it seems the opposite, weirdly. But yeah, I will try some more. I've already ordered basically both versions. These come with 2 inch and with 2.5 inch pitch. So I've ordered both just to do some more testing, and I've still got the 2 inch, basically I think about 10 sets that I will test. But yeah, I was able to fly these, and it was huge fun. I can really throw it around, not having to fear for much damage. I did basically damage anti-filter and a lot of props, but the motors, they're still okay. And yeah, the build really is, it's sturdy so far. I'm happy with it. For me, I'm learning much faster now because I'm risking more. I can just fly and not care too much for stuff. And the VTX so far, it's nicely secured and everything. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. And one good thing also, with flying with the crew, it's always fun. It's always test stuff where you challenge each other and so. And I was also able to basically compare it to my 5 inch, which is a QAV-s JB Edition, and I've also upgraded this basically just to make it a little bit better flying. I've reduced the weight overall by using an Action Cam 2, which I got new. I'm kind of happy with it, but I had huge issues with this. First of all, when I bought it, it's new. It didn't charge. I had to leave it for almost a day. And stuff, and it was kind of weird, and suddenly it worked, it went on, and I could update the firmware then, but it's not ideal, I think. So basically this 5 inch is quite light now for a let's say a 6S, or on the light side for a freestyle quad. It's 690 grams with a 6S 1350 pack. And basically what I wanted to test is just to see how close am I to a 5 inch with the 3.5 inch quad, because myself I would never say a 3.5 inch flies as a 3.5 inch. It just doesn't. But to be honest, for me, my 3.5 inch, of course, they use Kiss and they have a good tune on it. And this is a preset basically that I haven't tuned. The props are, I think, large for heavier quads, so it might not be that well tuned, or of course it isn't that well tuned. But I'm using the same rates basically, and the 3.5 inch do fly a lot better. They have a better prop wash handling than this, but other than that, in that space that we flew, and you will see the clips afterwards, it felt easier to fly the 3.5 inch. You can, move more, or it was easier to fly in the parking space and turn. Because while the 5 inch, if you turn or if you bank, then you need to bank more, and it wants to wash out more. So the momentum is cool, you can really throw it, but on the opposite, the momentum also wants to drag you out of corner and do stuff and everything. But of course, some things are easier, like precision or so. I do not feel that the 5 inch is more precise anymore, because now I think I got the right props and the right motors that are precise for me. So that's the thing. That was my goal, to not to have a 3.5 inch that flies like a 5 inch. I think that's an illusion, but to have a 3.5 inch that really flies well, that you can bash, and that you can that I can learn, that I can improve and not break stuff, or it's much cheaper to fix. Also, if you compare, I've done this comparison several times, but 6S Funfly battery is quite cheap. It's not an expensive one, and it's also maybe a little bit heavy, but costs maybe 40 to 45 bucks here. And this 4S is 13 bucks. So yeah, if you break this one, it won't break the bank. You can get 4 of them, basically, or 3 of them for the cost of 1 of them, and that's a good thing. I actually also smacked the Lil Matey into metal 2 or 3 times in there, and basically I just really only broke the ND filter and props and stuff, but otherwise no damage. I'm sure there will be more damage later on, but I'm really happy I can have these 2 quads and can fly repeatedly and do stuff. Yeah, that's the thing I wanted to share, and also regarding the motors. Before I'm letting you go and showing you the clips, I'll be doing some more, just showing the progress in the next few weeks. I'm trying to put together, how I'm learning new stuff, because I've been learning dolphins that I could build into a rip that I did, and let's say also Matey flips and stuff that I could do it with a whoop, but now I can also do it mostly with a quad, or I can risk doing it, and if I crash, things happen, and I can try it. But I'm trying to just to show how I progress, and maybe you can also learn stuff like that. Or I'm also doing sim, which is also a great factor, just trying to keep flying every day. Maybe if it's only for 10 minutes or for 15 minutes, that's enough. But just, the stick feeling, just getting used to it. And if you just feel comfortable, you go out. Like the yesterday, I went out flying, and it just felt like I've not been, there was no pause or something. That's because of the sim, because it just feels natural then when you start flying. Okay, now let's look at the clips. Just a comparison between the 3.5 and the 5 inch. You can see, kind of the washout, but also the good things about the 5 inch, that you kind of throw it, and just the maneuvers. It's the differences. I hope you enjoy these clips, also the video. Thanks a lot for watching and also supporting me. Have a great day. Bye bye.